It's time to get tough. Real tough. I'm telling you, I was born this size.
Nice athletic move there by Flood. That's the way to do it. Oh, yes! Picture perfect. Flood, go the ride. Oh, yeah! Locked up. Player one continues his relentless assault. Player one with momentum. Player one reigns. They tie up. Nice move over there by player one. Flood's in trouble now. Come on, hit him. Player one is just manhandling Flood. Close quarters. Player one, keep going. They lock horns. Player one will beat you. Oh no! Oh no! What do the fans think they are? Player one is a real fan favorite. Oh yeah! Tough game possession. Great athleticism by player one. Oh, he's getting his ass beat. Flood takes it over. Nice move there by player one. Player one is pulling out all the stops. Woohoo! Player one, you rock. What a move. Flood takes another. No! Player one is seeing double. He's defenseless. There's the tie-up. Flood fighting back. What a machine! They hook up.
Put some hands open, Todd.
Look out there.
That took the steam right out of him.